Hello students, let us study English grammar punctuation. Punctuation is used to create sense, clarity and stress in sentences. We use punctuation marks to structure and organize our writing. Some punctuation marks are as follows. Apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to show contractions of words. Aren't, can't, could not, didn't, he had, I will, I have, must not, who are, would not, won't, etc. Let us see some examples. It's raining outside. I will be there. I haven't met him before. Comma. A comma is used to show the difference between two different ideas or elements within a sentence. They can be used to separate numbers and to write dates. For example, we bought some cheese and we bought some fruits. He was tall, dark and beautiful. As the day ended, the fire personnel took out the last spark. No, thank you. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used when we have to express our feelings in a sentence. An exclamation mark is used at the end of a sentence. For example, wow, thank God, congratulations, well done, thanks a lot. Hyphen. Hyphen can be used in compound words to associate words with prefixes and also as a way to show word breaks. For example, self-expression, self-confidence, off the pay suit. Full stop. This is the most popular punctuation mark because we simply cannot write even a single sentence without using it. It indicates the end of a sentence or to follow an abbreviation. For example, we feed this cat every morning. Mr. Brown does not agree with these new rules. Question mark is used to show that it is a question. For example, what is your name? What do you do? Where does he live? Inverted commas. Inverted commas are used to mark off the actual words used by the speaker. For example, Keats said, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. The teacher said, the earth is round. Dash. Dash is used to separate parts of a sentence. For example, there are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution and sound pollution. So today we have seen punctuations.